Besh. This is Sketch, your friendly neighborhood Beshi. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to apply foundation and of course how to contour and bake the face. Okay? Let's begin. So as you can see mga Besh, itong aking face, yatulit ako ba ng ato ang discoloration sa atong syongot nga gishibang. So what we're gonna use is the lipstick. So we're gonna put it in our discolorated syongots. Nag-uuna itong atong pagka-ek-ek mga Besh. Ang taon ko mga inday, sud na. Diba? So we're gonna use our fingers. 2 fingers. Alam na, PCO. And blend. Oh, we're just blending, guys. Blend to the highest level na ni siya mga Besh. Para di mailahan nga ek-ek ta. Oh, diba? Syupa na si Madam. So now we're going to apply our foundation. Now this foundation is a liquid foundation. And I already tested this, guys. So we're just gonna put a little amount in our hands. See? And we're gonna get our brush. So I'm just gonna be using a simple synthetic brush mga Besh. Just to apply the foundation evenly. Okay. So go na mga Besh. Let's do this! Blend. So make sure mga guys nga ika-blending you will put an even amount throughout your face para di siya magkabang-kabang. Wa siya mga patches and everything. Oh, para ikataros mga people of the Philippines, pak! Gandang hindi mo inaakala. O, diba? Guwapa na kay ma'am. Okay, just blend it out, guys. Now I'm using a fluffy brush just to keep on blending and making sure that it's airbrush effect. O, diba? Like so even na siya. Now I'm going to use a angle brush so that we can contour. Now I'm using a brown contour here mga Besh kara anak ni siya nako. So we're just gonna be starting over here and start to make an angled line. Make sure nga hait siya mga Besh. O, pack na pack. Tarungan siya that time. And to the other side. Make sure nga tulon ninyong yung agtang, yung forehead, para ma-even out. O, diba? Padungan ta shopa. Shopa ni S. Now, we're going to highlight mga Besh. So, we're going to apply powder. Right on those areas. And this powder is just, I bought it from Cologne, which is only 35 chalks only mga Besh. Carry. And I'll be using the sponge which came with it. Okay, let's start beneath our eyes. So put a tremendous amount mga Besh. Para na siya sa 24-hour long finish. Wala nang lalaban pa. Wala nang re-retouch pa. Ganito na siya. O, diba? Para na tayong avatar. Now, use a Johnson's powder. Any kind of powder will do, but setting this powder, kanang pino siya o grano. And we're going to carve out our contour. Mga tong contour galore. Samo to siya kahait mga Besh. Then, apply evenly sa ato ang i-highlight just to make sure it's all set. Now, use the foundation again. Foundation powder and apply evenly sa inyong neckline. Okay, ganyan. So that's it, guys. That's how I contour and highlight my face. As you can see, it's already been dipped heavily in ivory. So we're just gonna get this set. Ako na siya set mga Besh. So once ma-set na ni siya, we can dust it off with a brush. And once it's all been brushed and blended, that's it. See you in the next video. So this is the
final look mga besh. Hope nag-enjoy mo sa video. Hope na-learn sa mga new things, mga new techniques. And by the way, disclaimer din siya mga besh ha. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I am a freelance makeup artist. So, I have been doing this for over a year na siya. And I am self-taught. I only watch videos as well from YouTubers, which is such a good thing right now. We can learn without assistance sa kanang personal to personal. We can just watch them online. So this is how I do my makeup, the baking, the eyes, the eyebrow, and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and can't wait to see